Hi friends, this is Mahesh. As a continuation of technical analysis series, we are going to see how to trade with chart patterns. In this video, I am going to cover how to trade with double tops and double bottoms. Okay, we will go into this video. These are the chart patterns we are going to cover in the technical analysis. First one is double tops and double bottom, then second head and shoulder patterns, rectangle patterns, then triangle patterns, symmetric triangle, asymmetric triangle, then descending triangle, then wedge patterns, then flags, pennants and cup and handle pattern. In technical analysis, the chart patterns are the very important area we have to see. Why? Because the chart patterns are the most potential patterns which is used to make huge profits in the market. So chart patterns are more important in technical analysis. Trading with chart patterns is one of the easiest way to earn money in the stock market. Now we are going to see double tops and double bottoms. This is a small diagram of double bottom. To trade with double bottom, there should be two conditions fulfilled. The first one is the price should create the two support levels. This is called double bottom. Then the price should break this neckline. Neckline means B, the length of the B and C. This is the neckline. So the price should break this neckline. Then only we will get entry in the market. As a support, we can take the trade here. As a chart pattern, we should take the entry here only. When the pattern will get complete means after breaking this line only the chart pattern will get valid pattern. Then only we should consider this as valid double bottom and we should take the entry. What is the entry level? Actually, once the price breaks the neckline or retested the neckline zone, the market breaks and it will retest the zone. In most of the times the price will retest the zone. If we take the entry at retesting zone, your stop loss should be here. Why? Because the length of the retesting zone should be your stop loss level, or if any candle closes here, you can use as a stop loss. If you take the entry when the price breaks the neckline immediately, there is a chance to reversal, so your stop loss might hit. So the entry after retesting is the safest entry for trading, and your target should be between B and C. This is the neckline. The length of the neckline should be your target. Then next is double top. In upcoming slide we will see the double top pattern. To trade with double top, there are two conditions to be satisfied. One is the chart should complete the two top levels, which is two resistance levels, and then it should break the neckline below. In this double top pattern, we can take the trade here when the price tested the resistance, but in the double top pattern we should enter once the price break the neckline or after retesting the neckline. So we should take the entry only between these 2 points. After taking the retesting zone is the safest entry. Your stop loss should be length of your retesting zone. This is your stop loss, and that your target will be between B and C, the neckline. So your target should be what is the neckline length, that should be your target. We will see some examples in next slide. This is the example for double bottom. The price created the two bottoms and created the neckline here. It breaks the neckline and the price tested here. So once the price tested here, we can take the entry. Once, see what is the target? Look, the neckline is the target. Usually the price will reach the target of the neckline. Sometimes it will reach more than the neckline also. The minimum target should be the neckline of the chart pattern, and your stop loss should be the length of the retesting zone or within this candle. See what is the length which you have taken, it should be the stop loss, or you can fix the stop loss at these previous candles. Next we will see the another example. This is the double top example. See, in here the price created the two tops and the price breaks the neckline. After neckline we should take the entry. Your stop loss level should be this, the length of this retesting level or the previous candle within the chart pattern, and your target should be the neckline of the chart pattern. It reaches more than the neckline. The minimum target is length of the neckline of the chart pattern. Next we will see in the TradingView website how to identify the chart patterns in the scripts. This is the example for double bottom. This is the Tata Motors weekly chart. In here, see, so it creates the two bottoms here and the price breaks the neckline. The target is $122. This is the target. Sorry, this is the neckline and this is the target, and your target should be length of the neckline. This is the minimum target. The price is retesting at this area. So this is the best example for double bottom. Your stop loss should be below this level or length of the retesting zone. Then we will see some other example. There is another example for double bottom. See, this is the post which I have posted recently. In here the price creates the two bottoms and the neckline breakout happen here. the price retested the length of the neckline. See, this is what we have to identify the chart pattern. Once the price breaks this level, we should take the entry here, and your stop loss should be this candle here. The retested zone will not happen, which was not happen, so your stop loss should be within this candle, and your target should be length of the neckline. This is HCL Technologies chart. In this chart we will see the double bottom pattern. See, these are the two bottoms. The price retested here, and your entry should be here, and your stop loss should below this candle, and your target is length of this neckline. Then the second example, see, these are the two bottoms, and the price retested here, the price level retested here. Your target is length of this 21, length of this neckline 21. Your stop loss should be below this candle, or if you take this as length of this neckline, length of this retesting zone, it will be huge stop loss, so we can place this candle for stop loss. Oh, there is another double top. See, this is the example for double top. See, there are two tops. The price breaks the neckline, and it is keep on retesting here, and your stop loss should be this level, and your target should be length of the neckline. This is how we should trade with double tops and double bottoms. Now we will see some other example. See, this is an example for a double top. This example already I have shown in the presentation. See, it has two tops, and the price is retesting this level. Your entry should be this level, and your stop loss should be within this chart pattern. Your stop loss should be the below candles or length of this retesting zone, there is no enough space enough price movement in this retesting zone, so we can take the candle for stop loss, and your target should be length of the chart pattern. See, in here it moved more than the length of the neckline, but most of the time the price will move only the length of the candle or just the length of the above the candle. We should not keep our position more than the length of the neckline. I hope this video will help you out how to trade with double tops and double bottoms. If you like this video, like the video and do comments in the comment section. What are the positive comments or negative comments, you post it. This will encourage me to make myself to give new videos, and we will see in the next video for another chart pattern. Thank you all.